Now this is the second little demonstration of a sky, a quite different day, a blue sky with some light clouds. And the purpose of this is really just to show you the potential of just using two colours which you really get to know and are able to exploit. So let's get on with it. So, incidentally, this is just a Chinese calligraphy brush, very nice to use. Cobalt blue and some light red. The two together will give me a light colour, which we'll have over on the, that's a little bit too warm on this left hand corner. Cobalt, this is a sunny day. Let them merge together. I can push that safely in to the to that light colour, simply because without risking anything, simply because it had got a lot less water. It was a stronger mixture. A bit more light red here. And then back to a bit of cobalt mixed together. And they'll give me a tiny bit of cobalt sort of straight in that corner. Light red with lots of water, touch of blue. If we put the two together, we can get a warmish grey. To hint at the underneath of some of these clouds. Bit more blue appearing in various places, but just make sure it's not as strong as the blue at the top there. Light red with lots and lots of water. Touch it there. Back to a grey. The underneath of some of these lighter clouds. And then we'll zigzag some small light clouds in the bottom here. Keep going, don't keep stopping. Do each area as well as you can in a workmanlike way. I'll just draw that right across there. And then just soften one or two of the top edges of these with a dryish brush. The paper, by the way, is a piece of Arches rough, 140 pound in weight. Now I think you'll agree that that sky gives a completely different impression to, just soften that if I can, it's not dried yet, gives a completely different impression to the first little demonstration of a grey sky. Well, I hope those two quick little demonstrations of different skies on different days and different atmospheres has encouraged you to at least get outside and try this painting skies with a very restricted palette, so that you get to know and really familiar with the two colours. Then perhaps you progress to 3 colours in the sky. I'm a great believer in sort of touching the paper once and moving across the paper, and concentrate on the tones and the edges and the drawing, just as you would if you were drawing a house or a boat or a tree. It's those particular characteristics that are the most important, and skies are no different from any other forms. Thanks for watching.